So previously we have done a video showing you guys how you can add like this kind of serially added number list in your images or gallery, right? So but today we are going to do something different. It is quite similar, but this time we will be having the total number of images like that. So you can see the image counter on the left side, and then we have the total number of images, right? You can apply this on a particular gallery as well as images. If you have separate images, you can do that. So uh, if you saw the last post or video, you can see that there is there is a css which you can add on your WordPress website, and it will like give you this type of uh, image or gallery counter, right? But to show the total number of images, we obviously need a script, a javascript, right? So those that script will count the total number of images inside a gallery or inside a post, right? So so let's see how you can add the javascript and then utilize the css to give your gallery or images this kind of look. So first you have to click on your like plugins section, and then if you do not have any code snippet plugin to add custom codes, you can just search code on that like on WordPress repository, and you will get this one like WP code. I have already installed and activated the plugin, so I am not doing it again. So and then from the left side you will see that plugin, the code snippet, right? You have to click add snippet. After click on adding snippet, here you will be seeing add your custom code. You just have to click on this and then give your custom code a name. Here are the few options like what kind of code you're trying to add here, right? So just click javascript snippet, or you can like click choose from here. You can change, or you can, so you have to select the javascript snippet, then you have to put a title here, right? So I have added a title image counter, and then you have to open this post and copy the whole script and paste it here, right? And then you just have to click here. It will it is by default inactive, so you have to active this and then click save snippet. I have already like saved this, so I am not saving it, so you have to follow these steps, right? uh, after after you've done this, no, like one thing I must say, like you can see the class here image counter, the class is image counter, right? You can actually change this class, and may remember that you have to use this class across your images or gallery, as well as on your like css. Here you can see the css code. Here we have the same class. Make sure to have the same class everywhere, right? So if you want, you can change image from image counter to something different, but make sure you change that class on everywhere, right? From css to javascript and then images. So once it is done, you can click on appearance and then customize. From here just click on additional css, and now like copy the whole css and paste it here, right? And then click on publish. Then go to your page or post, whatever you want, or any cpt. Then click on add a new page or post or whatever it is. Then give it a title, and then let's say add a gallery. So I'm choosing some random images that I have already added previously, and insert into a gallery. This time you do not have to put any class on your gallery, you just have to put the image counter class across all your images, right? So this is the basic requirement to show that. So you have to copy that class and go to your image and then advanced section from an additional class, paste that, do that for this one and for all the images. So now it is done, right? So now save or publish it, and if you preview this page, you will see the counter, the number counter is appearing with the total number of images, right? So it is perfectly working. Now if you want to change like you have the css, right? So you can like customize the look and colors, text size, and a lot of aspect. So like let me like do some changing, and you will be seeing the impact. So like let me customize this particular page. So if you like go to additional css, and then you can do something like here you have border radius. So if you want like square type of thing, you can like totally remove this. you can remove. So now it is like do not have any like a border radius. You can then also change the size, the text size, right? You can also change the padding left and right. This like padding you can also change. So like you can make it 30 and 8. So you can change the paddings also. I think this is too much. And you can also, and like also if you want this counter to be at the top of every images, so people can see the full image, right? So what you can do, like you can see like there are two sections, this one and this one. So you have to come to the first section and the last and then like give it enter and give it some top padding, right? Maybe 35 px, right? So or more, you can adjust it like how much you want, right? And so 55. You can also like remove the left gap, so you can make it 0, so it doesn't have any gap on the left, right? You can also reduce the top gap and give it solid 45. So now it's looking good, right? So you can do that. You can adjust things by changing the css, right? So it is pretty easy. You just have to add the javascript and then you have to add the plus on every images, and instead of gallery you can add images, next images and then paragraph and then images. You just have to put the class and it will automatically count all the images. So that's it. I hope you understand everything. If you have any question, you can like comment below, or you can directly ask me on my blog here on businesspoint.com. So thank you.